I'm at Buffalo Rock State Park in Illinois, hiking a trail right now. Don't really know where it's leading, but we'll find out. Stay tuned.
You got the backpack, but we may be hand bear crawling up this.
I don't know if we're
well, that's what I'm saying, Jim, is if you don't think you can make it back up.
I don't know what to grab onto this thing.
The grass.
The grass is gonna rip right out.
Wow. That's what I'm saying.
I think we might be stuck down there.
I mean, obviously people have made it in the past. Yeah, I don't think this will be as bad as it looks from the top.
Oh yeah.
It's like off-roading, you just gotta kind of stagger the outside.
Oh my god.
At the very least, I'm getting my shot.
You get your shot. He said, oh no, it's worse over here.
Yeah, it gets worse over here, dude. It's all loose.
I'm not sure if I'm willing to go down that, but we'll see what happens. Oh, so to let you guys know, this is the Illinois River. All that you see, all that we've kind of filmed. Forgot even to mention that, but the Illinois River.
There's like little sitting rocks you can sit on over there.
Oh yeah?
I think I got some good videos, but we'll see.
Oh, he made it.
All right. Oh, that was easier when we were younger.
All right, guys, so that's gonna end today's vlog. You can see behind me there is a giant cliff, and I am just only steps away from falling off the edge, but I'm gonna close out the vlog for now. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces. Wait, hold on.